Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Do you want to know about gympost.com? If yes, then watch this video because we are going to share unbiased review as people from all over the world, especially from United States, are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this website. So let's check out. Gympost is a newly registered portal that offers a wide range of collection for wall decor as company shows providing top quality canvas and poster for living room decoration. Besides, Gyms Pose also offers print on demand posters, phone cases, t-shirts, canvas painting and more. Let's check out the specification of this website. When we go into the depth, we found it is HTTPS secured website. It was created on 27th October 2020 and it will expire on 27th October 2022. They have multiple products. They have mentioned email address and physical address, but no contact detail have been shared, unfortunately. As far as social media profiles are concerned, the company does not maintain any social media profile. For domestic shipping, they need 15 to 20 days. As far as international shipping is concerned, they need 15 to 30 business days to deliver the order. You can return the product within 14 days, but you are supposed to bear the cost of shipping. If you want to cancel the order, you have 12 hours of, like, you can cancel your order within 12 hours of placing your order. They have multiple payment method. The positive point of the website are it comes with unique collection of printed canvas, posters, t-shirt, mugs, phone covers, women dresses. The website is SSL secured, hence online transactions seem safe with this portal. The company ensures maintaining high quality for all the products. Buyers can find detailed shipping policies. The company ensures safeguarding personal information. The limitation of Gympost are the trust score is not trustworthy. The site is not linked to social media platform. No authentic reviews are available online. So here a question may come arise in your mind as a customer: is Gympost legit or not? As we discussed, it was created on 27th October 2020. Its trust index score is 21%. They have Alexa ranking, but it contains broken links. 50% of the content is plagiarized. This means it is copied from some other websites. Owner details have not been shared. Separate pages for all policies are maintained. Gympost is not linked to any social media platform, hence we did not find any authentic reviews of the company, and it denotes that it is a suspicious website. As we all know that if we are interested to buy anything online, it is necessary to check out the legitimacy of the online portal. Gympost is new in the market, and no doubt it offers a wide range of print on demand, poster, canvas and more attractive items, but the website does not have social media handles, and buyers will hardly find the feedback of previous customer. So in all the detail, we can conclude our discussion by saying that undoubtedly the website attracts the customer worldwide, but due to absence of authentic reviews, we suggest that you must do your own research and then make a thorough decision for your shopping. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box, as your experience will help other customer to decide either they should use this particular portal or not. And if you like our effort, please do share the video and do like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. That will boost our spirit to bring such informative video for you in future that save your money.